Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce at home without vinegar. First, consider using citrus juices like lime or lemon for a bright, acidic kick. Next, explore fermentation, which naturally develops a complex tang and acts as a preservative. Finally, we'll discuss how to combine these elements with other ingredients to create a delicious, balanced sauce that's uniquely yours. To begin fermentation, thoroughly wash and chop your desired chili peppers. Place them into a clean jar, then cover with a 2% salt brine solution, ensuring all chilies are submerged. Seal the jar with an airlock or burp daily. Allow this mixture to ferment for 5 to 7 days at room temperature, letting beneficial bacteria work their magic. Once fermented, it's time to build incredible flavor. Consider adding fruits such as mango or pineapple for natural sweetness and body. Fresh aromatics like garlic, ginger, and even a touch of onion can deepen the profile. For that essential tang without vinegar, incorporate fresh citrus juice, like lime or lemon, just before blending. Now, blend all your fermented chilies and added ingredients until you achieve your desired smooth consistency. If the sauce is too thick, add a small amount of filtered water gradually until it's perfect. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Store your finished chili sauce in sterilized bottles in the refrigerator for several weeks. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.